Alrighty guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nyla and this is LCTrades. You already know. So this is going to be a different video. We don't have an intro. We don't have an outro. We're going to go straight into the charts. It's raw. It's uncut. Let's just hop into it. I want to go through this quickly. I want to go through this fast and thoroughly. Not that fast. But these are going to be the markets I'm looking at for the week. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 pairs that I'm looking at for the week. Reminder. I'm not getting in all 8. I am just going to look at what is the best throughout the week and hop into those trades. One at a time. Maybe 2. But we'll see. Last week, unfortunately, I did not have a great week. I broke my trading plan. Yeah, it just wasn't the best for me. I should be doing better. I put myself on punishment. It was horrible. But this week, we're going to have a great week. So it's already Monday. It's already 12:09. So that's why I'm like, yo, let's just hop into this video. So I'm going to stop talking and we're going to get into it. So the first pair that I have is going to be USD CAD. Okay. So for this one, I'm actually looking at buys for this one. Let me just fix the visibility on here. I did that wrong. Try to do this fast. Okay, so I have a new technique that I'm using that I only want to see areas of interest on the daily and weekly, and on my 4-hour, 1-hour, 30-minute charts, I want to see ICC. So, like I said, I do trade 2 strategies, ICC and FXLG strategy. And yeah, that's enough talking. Let me tell you why I'm looking for buys. So right now, as I'm looking at it, these are old. We can get those out of here. As I'm looking at it, USD CAD has 1, 2, 3 hits to the downside. It is a triple bottom on the downside. So I'm starting to see a little rejection for it pushing down, and starting to see that it may want to go up. Sorry, that is my cat. If you hear that, Lord have mercy, interrupted everything. But yeah, so USD CAD is looking, I'm just looking at buys. Once it gets above this area of interest, I'm going to wait for a break and retest and take it to this TP area. If we go down on the 4-hour, I already have my seller's box and my buyer's box. We already have an indication on the seller's box, above the seller's box. I'm looking for that correction, a deeper correction than this, and I'm looking to take it all the way up here. Also, just know that I adapt to the market. So I'll get into that a little later when I say that, but I just adapt. If I start to see sales and I start to see sales, I'll update you on the Instagram. But yeah, we have an indication right here above the seller's box. I'm waiting for a deeper correction, and that continuation candle, I'm going to just hop in and take it all the way, ride it all the way up to 1.38009. Bow. Boom. So that's USD CAD. Let's go to UJ. All right. So UJ is bullish. As you can see right here, those are my little notes. UJ is bullish. That took a turn of events. Last week I had UJ bearish, and I saw it switch bullish, but I didn't get in it because, again, I didn't follow my trading rules, so I put myself on punishment. And what did I do? I basically traded like a demo trade kind of, but just like I put myself on punishment because I don't deserve to be getting into anything because I want to break my trading rules. Like, anyway, USD JPY is buying. I would love for it to come back to this area of interest that I have and push up, but also I might be looking to get into a minor short sell, long-term buy. So I have these 3 boxes right here. Sellers, there's a minor sellers, buyers box I have here, and a buyers. So we're just gonna see, like, I already see this little indication below the minor area of interest that I have, or seller's box, whatever I want to call it. I see this minor indication. I see this correction. If I get a candle right here, another candle, not this candle, another candle that shows that it's dropping below this yellow box right here, then I'll take it to the buyer's box. That's not traditionally how I trade, but I don't know. We'll see. It might not make sense to do that because then my stop loss will have to be here, and my take profit would be a 1-to-1, and I don't trade those. So better strategy is to put an alert right here. Yeah, TradingView just updated. I don't know why I did that. Is making a indication below the buyer's box. All right, so yeah, once I get an indication below that, I'll be more interested in it. I'm still looking at UJ. I'm actually gonna change this to yellow. It's not my favorite. I'll put that at the bottom. But yeah, it's something to look at. I'm watching it strategically. But guess what? If it goes above this seller's box and makes an indication there, then I'll be looking for buys. UJ is pretty, I think it's bullish right now. Yeah, UJ is pretty bullish. But like I said, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. It's not my favorite. I should have done that one last. All right, next one is GBP USD. This is one of my favorites actually for the week. So we have this downtrend on GU. Right now, what I'm looking at, honestly, is short-term buys, long-term sells. So when the market opened, I saw that it made this bullish engulfment right here. Right here, I see a retest of this minor box right here, which is good. I could get in and go take it to the seller's box. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait and see what it does when it gets to the seller's box. If it drops back down or if it starts to push above. I really want to get in short-term buys for GU in terms of I would like to take it to this area right here, buy it to this area, but I don't think I'll do that either. I think what I'm really going to wait for is for it to get to this area of interest that I have on the daily marked up. I think I'm going to wait for a break and retest and then take this all the way down and watch it continue to sell. One thing about the markets is when you think it's going to do something and it looks like it's lining up to do exactly that, it will do the complete opposite. Complete opposite. So you just got to watch it. You just got to monitor it and know how structure works on the chart, because that will show you the answer to your problems before anything else, honestly. I'm telling you. But yeah, that's GU. Looking for sells overall, but we'll see. Again, an adjustment. I thought GU was my favorite. That is not my favorite. We are going to move it down. I'm chatting right now. All right, GBP NZD. Is this my favorite? No, not really. None of these are really my favorite because I really wanted to do something spectacular. It's not going to do that. We do have a double top right here on the 1 hour. Let's go. Let's have this make sense. All right. Top down analysis. So GBP NZD overall is showing bullish. We have basically it's hard for price to break below this area right here. As you can see where the cursor is. So it started to buy up. This is an area of interest. So what I would like is for it to go to this area of interest, retest the area of interest, kind of what it's doing right now, actually this second. Retest it and then give me a bearish candlestick pattern. And I'm going to take it all the way up to, ooh, where am I taking this up to? I'll take it up to I'll play it safe. I'll take it up to the 2.30691 area. Let me just mark that here. I'm over here like, where am I supposed to take this to? Lord have mercy. You know, the trick to it is that you're supposed to put daily take profits or 4 hour take profits. Let's move this out of here. But yeah, so as you can see, every time I switch from time frames, it shows my different strategies. But yeah, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. Right now, it looks, this is actually, I need to move this up. This actually is one of my favorites. It just looks good. Like, it just looks beautiful. And guess what? If it does end up dropping below the buyer's box, I'll switch my analysis. Like, your analysis could switch. Like, it doesn't have to be strong and held on sells or buys. No, you watch what the market does and you trade what it gives you. Tea break. Hold on. All right. Anyway. So yeah, GBP NZD, I'm overall looking for buys. If you need me to break down anything else or any of your charts, please just DM me on TikTok or Instagram or drop a comment. I'll write you. I don't mind. Where are we at? So we're at, oh, gold. Gold. This is actually like what made me mess up my trading plan, because this is why I don't like to go based on what everyone else is saying. Like, I mainly just like to do my own analysis, because when I do my own analysis, it's always usually right. So I got into gold for buys sometime last week. I think it was, where did I get buys at last week? Lord have mercy. Oh, I think it was this point. I think no. I think it was this point. Yeah, I got in at this point for buys, and look at what it did. Sold. But I got out early. I didn't blow my account, but still I was very upset about it. Gold is gonna buy. I'm not that, I only have gold here because I want to see what it does when it gets to this. I'm supposed to mute these alerts. Sorry. Also, okay, raw and uncut, remember. All right, so I'm waiting to see what gold does when it gets back to this buyer's box. I have a trend line here, so if it does get to this trend line and bounce off of it, or if it breaks above it, we'll see. Yeah, that's gold. I don't really have much of a bias on gold. I'm just watching it, honestly, because I know it's gonna get to this buyer's box. I know 100%. Obviously, it's gonna get to the buyer's box. It's a matter of when. Probably sometimes this week, but also, like, this is just not a good trade to take to go up. Like, for scalpers, yeah, sure, scalpers would love this, but for me, I'm a day trader. This, as you can see, is a 1-to-1. Now, make no sense. Not getting in it. So that's gold. AUD JPY. Is this one of my favorites, actually? I think it is. Yeah, I think it is one of my favorites. Let me see. So yes, it is. AUD JPY is overall bullish. It is already at the area of interest. I like that. It went here. I think it touched it, and it might be going, it pulled back to the area of interest and might be continue upwards. But me, being the strategic person I am, I'm going to wait. I like to play things safe sometimes. So I'm going to see what happens when this is my moving average, the exponential moving average. I'm going to see what it does when it hits there. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? I'm more so going to be looking at all of these charts in the morning, because I'm going to have much more better analysis of everything. But also, I'm just looking for what the markets give me. So that's why I don't really have that many alerts, because by the morning time, especially by Tuesday London session and Tuesday New York session, I'll most likely be getting into something, but I have to just see more. I just need more from these charts. They look good, they look clean, but I need more. So yeah, I'm really overall looking at AUD JPY to buy, because it is already bullish, but I won't be upset if it drops below this area of interest, gives me a break and retest, and continues to sell. Like, that would be great too. Either or. We're just waiting. We're adjusting. We're waiting. We're playing it cool. Alrighty, so CAD JPY. Oh, CAD JPY is one of my favorites, because I'm gonna wait for this, my sellers, buyers, ICC, minor area of interest right here. I want to see what CAD JPY does when it gets below this box right here. I want it to drop, pull back, and I would like to get in and take it to the buyer's box, because I'll probably get in for something like this if it can do it. Oh Lord, let me see if there's a good trade. Actually, I'm doing this on the daily. I need to do this on the 1 hour. All right, so yeah, look at me. This is kind of what I want it to look like. I want it to all right. I want my stop loss to be there. I want my take profit to be here. That's a 1 to 2. And honestly, my stop loss will probably be lower than that, because it'll probably have another point where it pulled back to already. So yes, CAD JPY actually is one of my favorites. Let me move that to the top. Yeah, we'll be watching. Like I said, I'm really gonna get a better analysis of everything tomorrow. But yeah, this is kind of what I wanted to do. If you guys need a visual, I don't know. I want to do this, and this. Doesn't that look pretty? It looks beautiful, right? That's what I want. And then my stop loss will be a little bit above this area right here. That's CAD JPY. On to AUD JPY. Did we do this one? I don't think so. We did do this one. About to repeat myself. All right. Euro USD. So my analysis on Euro USD last week was buys, and I saw it selling, and it looked beautiful, and I got in that as well. But I got in with a huge lot size because I was about to take over the world with that. And what happened? Let me show you guys what happened. I was so tight. I was so mad because I literally saw it playing out. Look at what happened to a T. I left it up just for you guys. Just for you guys, I left it up. Look at this. Literally wicked me out to perfection. Liquidity hit me like a truck. And what did it do? It sold, bro. I was so mad. I wasn't mad. It happens. But look at that. It literally sold beautifully and kept going. It's crazy. So I missed out on that last week because I wanted to get stopped out, which is fine. But this week, I'm still looking for sales. I wanted to go to this area of interest, retest it, and drop back down. Continue to sell down. ICC purposes. ICC looks cool. I like it more on the daily. The daily looks like it's really about to do exactly what I wanted to do, which is go to this area of interest and drop back down. But we'll see. Again, like I said, tomorrow's gonna give us more of a full view. And then the last one is GBP USD. Oh my God, this looks so beautiful. Look at that head and shoulders right there. Boom, shoulder, head, shoulder. It literally broke, retested. It's beautiful. I missed it though. I missed it. GU is gonna do I wanted to do the same thing as Euro USD. I wanted to go to this area of interest and sell back down. Something like this. Yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to do. I am not trying to do any short-term trades this week. I just want to do what the market shows me to do. That's it. Playing it nice and simple. You know why I'm playing it nice and simple? Come with me. Let me show you. Because I am starting... Wait, let me make sure you can see the screen. Okay, perfect. I'm starting a new challenge for myself. I have a $100 account. I want to get it to $1,000. I don't really have a time frame for when I want to do that. I just know that that is something I do want to do. So, yeah, $100 challenge. I'll be documenting my whole series on Instagram and TikTok, so follow me there. And that's it. That's my explanation on why I'm not taking risky trades. Everything I'm doing is playing it safe, So, we did UJ, we did GU. That's all of them. Perfect. We got through all of them. So, like I said, I will have a better analysis tomorrow on what I'm interested in. Like, if you follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok, you'll know exactly what I'm getting in. But until then, we're just waiting. You know, my analysis could change on each and every one of these. But for me, it's just a waiting game. I don't mind playing the waiting game. Patience is key. So, on that note, we're done. That was quick. That was simple. That was easy. There's going to be the outro right here. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you freaking subscribe. Comment, because that's how I know if you guys need help or you need me to go deeper, or if you want me to mark up your chart, or you need help with anything. Comment, please. But anyway, again, I will see you guys next week or later in the week to give you guys an update. And you guys are amazing as always. Have a good night.